Can you trust Gemini Crypto? That's a question on the minds of many people right now. With the recent volatility in the cryptocurrency market, it's more important than ever to do your research and make sure you're investing your money wisely. In this video, we'll take a look at Gemini Crypto and see if it's a safe and reliable platform for investing your money. What is Gemini Crypto? Is Gemini Crypto safe? What are the benefits of using Gemini Crypto? What are the risks of using Gemini Crypto? Should you invest in Gemini Crypto? What is Gemini Crypto? Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2014 by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss. It is one of the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Gemini offers a variety of services, including buying and selling cryptocurrencies, trading cryptocurrencies, and storing cryptocurrencies. Gemini also offers a number of other features, such as a rewards program and a lending platform. Is Gemini Crypto safe? Gemini is a regulated cryptocurrency exchange that is subject to a number of laws and regulations. This helps to ensure that the platform is safe and secure for users. Gemini also uses a number of security measures to protect user funds. These measures include two-factor authentication, cold storage, insurance, fraud detection. What are the benefits of using Gemini Crypto? There are a number of benefits to using Gemini Crypto. Some of the benefits include safety and security, ease of use, wide range of features, excellent customer service. What are the risks of using Gemini Crypto? There are also some risks associated with using Gemini Crypto. Some of the risks include volatility, security risks, regulatory risks. Should you invest in Gemini Crypto? Whether or not you should invest in Gemini Crypto is up to you. It is important to weigh the benefits and risks before making a decision. If you're looking for a safe and reliable way to invest in cryptocurrency, Gemini Crypto may be a good option for you. However, it is important to be aware of the risks involved. Gemini Crypto is a safe and reliable platform for investing in cryptocurrency. However, it is important to be aware of the risks involved before making a decision. If you're considering investing in Gemini Crypto, I encourage you to do your research and make sure you understand the risks and benefits. If you're interested in learning more about Gemini Crypto, please visit their website. Thank you for watching.